It's an amazing square root question. You are welcome back to my channel. Okay, first we need to note something. Recall that square root of a squared is equal to a. That means that anytime I have square roots, just like I have here, in order to get my x, I need to remove all these square roots. And the only way to do that is, is to square. So that is exactly what we are going to do. So let's square both sides. So we are going to have this. Then we square, okay? Is equal to 27 squared. So this, we remove this. And we have x roots x root x root x is equal to 27 squared. We still have these roots, square roots, so we need to square again. So we square both sides again. Now remember that a multiplied by b all squared is equal to a squared multiplied by b squared. Okay, so that means this is the same thing as x squared multiplied by the square root of x square root of x square root of x squared is equal to 27. Now when you have multiple powers or multiple exponents, you multiply them to get 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, so what we now have is x squared. Then this, we remove this, we have multiply by x. Then we are left with this root x again is equal to 27 raised to the power of 4. So remember that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Now this is same thing as x to the power of 1. Therefore, we can write this as x, we pick one base which is x, and we add the powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we have the square root of x is equal to 27 to the power of 4. If you have watched to this point, it means one thing, that you actually enjoy this thing. Okay, you are enjoying the video. So please, it's time for you to hit that like button. If you're actually enjoying it, hit the like button. Then hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. All right, we love you so much and we would like to have you in this family. Thank you so much. So now we're going to square again. Yes, since we still have the square root, we are going to square again. So squaring both sides again. So this is same thing as x to the power of 3 squared multiplied by square root of x squared. Okay, is equal to 27 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2. So we have x to the power of 6 multiplied by this, we remove this, and we have x root x is equal to 27 to the power of 8. Amazing, right? So as usual, this is x to the power of 1. So we have x to the power of 6 plus 1, which is 7. Then we have root x is equal to 27 to the power of 8. So we square again. Remember, we still have root sign here. So we square again. So this is same thing as x to the power of 7 squared multiplied by square root of x squared is equal to 27 to the power of 8 multiplied by 2. So we have x to the power of 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by this, remove this and we have x is equal to 27 to the power of 16. So we have x to the power of 14 multiplied by x to the power of 1 is equal to 27 to the power of 16. So remember, we pick one base, right? And we add the powers. Is equal to 27 to the power of 16. Now, we are looking for the value of x. Let us raise each side of this equation to the power of 1 over 15. Raise both sides to the power of 1 over 15. So, if we do that, we have x to the power of 15 raised to the power of 1 over 15 is equal to 27 to the power of 16 raised to the power of 1 over 15. Now remember that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this is something as x to the power of 15 multiplied by 1 over 15 is equal to 27 to the power of 16 multiplied by 1 over 15. So 15, we remove 15. We have x is equal to, now 27 to the power of 16 times 1 is 16. So you have 16 over 15. Now this is what we have, that x is equal to 27 to the power of 16 over 15. Now this is okay, but we can still simplify this further, right? Know that 27 is 3 to the power of 3. 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So we can write this as x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 16 over 15. So we have x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 16 over 15. So 3 we divide 15, we have 5. So you have x is 3 to the power of 16 over 5. So x is 3 to the power of 16 is same thing as 15 plus 1. So this will now be over 5. So x is 3 to the power of 15 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So x is 3 to the power of 5, we divide 15 to give us 3 plus 1 over 5. Now note that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So we have x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 over 5. So x is 27, and this is something as 5th root of 3. So 27 multiplied by the 5th root of 3. And that is the answer. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you in my next video.